They need to teach him a lesson so that other celebrities and yeyebrities can learn. What is annoying me is they were even begging him. They were begging him. Begging him for what? Nonsense. They were begging him. Begging him for what? I think I saw a video of him somewhere apologizing, and I'm like, oh. What is he apologizing for? Don't apologize for. What's the apology for? The deed has been done. They should give him the flight ban, in my opinion. We accept your apologies, but you need to face the consequences of what you have done. Someone needs to be made an example that the fact that you are whatever does not mean that you are above the law. You are not above the law. Someone needs to be made an example of. Okay? You are not above the law, sir. Get that straight into your head. They need to teach him a lesson so that other celebrities and yeyebrities can learn. That is my own.